Welcome to KBIS 2025. My name is Mason, product manager at Salice America. I want to highlight some of the newer products that we have featured in the booth this year. Our progressive line of undermount drawer slides. These come in an integrated soft close or push to open. They feature a synchronized rack and pinion system. And over here is the integrated push to open. Up next is the bifolding eccentric 2 pocket door system. These come in 2 variations. What you see here is the eccentric 2 Smart. We also offer it the Star version with the front face panel and a handle. This is the Excedra single pocket door system with a push to open accessory kit. So now you can access the cabinet via a touch latch and via the pocket door system. Zero protrusion to allow for drawer runners on the inside. All of these products and more are available at Häfele.com.